Good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back in today's class. We are on the day number 25, and hopefully, this will be the last week for us of this training. Okay, so if you see, we have done a lot in the last 24 days. We see basics, we see incident, problem, change, release. And if you notice, all these things are related to the internal users almost. How to raise a change, how to fix it, how to raise a change, how to deploy a change, how to get approval of the change, how to fix the incident, how to raise a problem, how to do the RC and all the things. Now let's come back from this and go back to the front end. Today's topic is interesting topic. If I say, let's say you, me, everybody who is in this call now, we use this thing, e-commerce websites, either to do online shopping, online food, online games, online movies, anything. What we do, we open that website, we go to the website, pick up the category that, okay, I want to be go for the science movies. No, I want to go thriller movies. I want to go for the horror movies. No, I want to buy some good trousers. No, I want to buy some accessories. I want to buy some perfumes. Want to buy some watches, boots, shoes, coats, tie. So these are different categories. Then I open that category, I go there and I select one of the item which I want to be select. Or simple example which I gave a lot of time in the training as well. When you and me or we us go to the restaurants for having lunch or dinner with family or friends, what we get? We get a menu card, right? Under the menu card, there's a lot of items, but those items are not actually the items. They are categorized in the category like starter, main course, desserts, drinks. And nowadays drinks also have another catalog, right? Because you can't give the same menu card or if you're accompanying with the children. So for the drinks, they have a different menu card. Then juices, then cakes, a lot of things. Or under that, maybe in the starter, under that they have another category. Thai, Chinese, Italian, Mexican, Punjabi kind of things. And under that, we have a order. Oh, sorry, we have an item. Like if I talk about the main course, rice, chapati, dal, sabji, all the things are the items. So what we do? We order the items. We never say to the waiter, hey, can you bring this starter? He says, sir, tell me what starter you want. I want this spring roll. Okay. Or you say, bhaiya, ye starter le aao sare. It's never possible, right? So this particular module, we're going to be talk from the end user perspective, that how an end user can request something and how that can be fulfilled. And this is called the service catalog and the request management. Important point to be understand, even though before I was having this exam, ITSM exam, I thought that it is a request management, but that is a wrong. It is service catalog and request management. Means under this you have a proper catalog that how a user can order, and request management means how that can be fulfilled. In this module, it is not anything not get resolved. In this module, everything get fulfilled. Like sometimes wife says, no, I want to be have something golgappe or tikki. So you don't resolve her cravings. You fulfill her cravings. No, आज ना मन मीठा खाने का यार, चलो, let's go for and have ice cream. You're fulfilling that part. You're not resolving that. So in this two major terms are there. Number one is a catalog. Number two is a request. Okay. Now the catalog can be of service or product. Service or product. Like you go to buy a mobile phone, or you go to do the servicing of your car. That is service, because that person not giving you the new car. He's just taking your car, making it clean, washing, servicing, oiling change, brake oil change, all things change, and sir, it's ready. So that is a service. Now up to you that what type of service you want. You want a full service which includes hand wash completely with shampoo or the gel, then all cleaning, vacuum, internal, external car, dicky, tire cleaning, or you want a medium servicing, only outside cleaning and little bit servicing, or minimum cleaning. भैया बस ऊपर से कपड़ा मार दो और change the oil. So this is a type of services. But product, like I want to buy a trouser, I want to buy a tie, I want to buy that this thing, something like that I want to buy. That is a product. Okay, so in this, as I said, two things. One is the catalog. Second is the request. That how that request will get fulfilled. Do we need any approval? Do we need any task or the same? And all the things will be done here. So in this, we have a lot of things like this. So we are going to be discussing about the demo. We are discussing about the catalog builder, that how I can build my catalog and all the things. Now let's go to this one. Yep. As I say that this particular concept has two things. One is catalog and the request, and second is touch points. Okay, number one point, an important point. This particular module has been used by the end user. This has been used by the end users. I as a fulfiller can use, but primarily it has been designed for the end user. So an end user can raise a standard change from the service portal because it's a catalog for us. He can raise an incident with the help of the record producer, which we saw, right? Create incident, inbound action, remember. Okay. He can see the service offerings. Like I give example, medium servicing, full vehicle service, medium service kind of things. We can use this request management or the catalog request management to update our services, new releases. Guys, we're introducing a Christmas special service. Book your order, we will come to your house, clean the vehicle. With this, I can use the knowledge management because knowledge articles are available in the portal. If you remember that how to use this rating, all the things will be KM part. And I as a user can request to update the CIS as well, CMDB as well. Okay, so these are the touch points of this particular stuff. Now the point comes that how these two concepts, because these are two different concepts. One is called service catalog and second is called the request management. So this is what there. I go to dinner with my family. I get a menu card. From the menu card, I order something. This is what I order. I order an item. I order something that is called the catalog item, and that go in the cart, or that waiter come and say, okay, so what do you want to be take? Now there are very fancy waiters or the fancy stuff. They have iPad or something. and they tell, okay, 1, 2, 3, this sir, ho gaya. And they put the order. See, they put the order. Once they put the order, it become a request. So the food will not prepared by the waiter. No, waiter work is up to this to get the order. But the food will be prepared by the chef. So waiter will take your order and it become a request. So anything else you want? So the food is good. So can I bring something more for you? Can I get the water for you? So it's a request. So a request has been created. Under that, we have the RITM, request item, that what you have requested. Why? Because when you leave the restaurant, you're not paying for the individual. भैया दाल कितने होगा चाहिए लो भैया कार्ड, भैया रायते कितने होगा भैया लो कार्ड. One order, under that you have multiple items. Dal, raita, chapati, rice, salad, juice, drinks, all the things. Those are called the item, request item. Now to fulfill that a request item, there can be multiple tasks. It depends on the RITM. Like to get a water. भैया water bottle देना. Only one task. He will go get the bottle and give to you. But can I get the ice cream with gulab jamun? So multiple things. It will go to the kitchen. It will tell the chef. Chef will take the bowls, take the ice cream, take the gulab jamun, put the garnishing, and then it come. So as per the RATM, as per the requested item, the task can be differ. Okay, and these two are the two separate things. The storage of these records are in the two different tables, completely two different tables. So don't get confused that everything is going in the one table. No. Okay. Clear till this point?
Yes.
Good. Now let's come here. That's how it works. It is a 4 level of life cycle. Submittal, approval, fulfillment, and closure. Submittal say that when I go into the catalog, I choose my item and fill the form, color, hard disk, quantity, all these things. That's called the work done in the this part. Once this has been done, it go for the approval and rejection. Because I'm putting in the mute. Then it go for the approval. Now the question comes, why approval? Do you remember the example that we take that Khalda's bike is not working and it required a fix of 10,000 rupees? That is the approval. But वो तो change था. How this can become here? Okay, now let me tell you about this thing, that how this can be approval here. Let's say I newly started my job. Okay, and generally the young generation, yes, I call myself a young generation. The young generation who started his or her job, what they buy first thing from their salary is the mobile phone. Same thing I did also. So that time when I started, Nokia launched a new phone, the first touch phone Nokia launch. It's touch plus keyboard, both work. The cost was 10,000 rupees, approximately 14 years back. Yes, 14 years back, the same days. Okay, I know that I am earning now. So I go to the shop, see the phone. Oh my God, it's a 10,000 rupees, too much for me. Because salary was not that much big. Recently moved from the house to the new city. Expenses also there. So I called to my father. Dad, I want to buy a phone. Yes, yes, why not? Every father encourage, because now you have a gut feeling. Oh, I'm earning, I'm earning. Okay. He asked me, okay, how much the cost? I said it's 10,000 rupees. He says, no, it's too much expensive now. You're not earning that much. You can go for the little less expensive phone. Maybe after 1 year, 2 years, once you find a little bit, save little money, because they want to teach me that how to save the money or how to spend the money carefully. This is what the approval come. But now I'm in a good position with the God grace. If I say, okay, dad, I want to buy a phone. Why not? Go. I said it's a 10,000 rupees. Why not? Up to you. I'm okay. You can buy it. No problem. I know that you will be earning good and good. So now it's not required. So the same thing happen in the approval and rejection, that whenever we raise any catalog item, when we raise any request, it may go for the approval. Like very simple examples. It's not followed in India, but definitely followed in other countries. A minor, not even the minor, a person who is less than the 25 age cannot buy the liquor or the hard drinks from the store. He or she need to be show his I-card. Like in here, the grocery shops are there. They're selling these drinks openly, but you can't buy. You have to be show the I-card. Like cigarettes, vapes are there. 16, 18 years people can buy, but they have to be show their I-card. This is called approval. But for us, it's not required, because by seeing our beard, white color beard, white hair, yeah, and when I go to the shopping, my wife and my kid is there, so they understand that okay, he's more than 25 years, even though I'm not at 25 years now, less than that only. So approval come here. And again, it is not required that every item need to go for the approval. Once approval or rejection has been done, then the work has been started. One more example to understand. Let's say you join a new company. Your manager says, okay, Ishwar and Anthony or Anuj, please raise a request for the laptop. Laptop as a fresher. Wow, I'm getting a laptop. Anuj was so crazy and Anuj opened the portal and he ordered the MacBook. Okay, very nice. These requests go to his up manager. Why for manager? Because company know that people who are joining new, they are not aware that what is the limit for them. Is there criteria for them to be order laptops? Anuj request got cancelled, rejected, not cancelled, rejected. Why? Because Anuj ordered the wrong laptop. He is only allowed to order the Windows laptop, not the MacBook. But same thing, Ishwar got the approved because at the Ishwar level where on which level Ishwar joined, he's allowed to be ordered a MacBook. Once the approval rejection has been done, then the fulfillment start. As I say, in this time, in this module, it's fulfilled, not the resolved. Request get approved by his manager and it go to the IT department. Okay, do we have a stock? Yes. Data laptop. Okay, done. Second team, configure the laptop, install the OS, update the patches, work done. Third team, activate the IDs. They activate the ID of the Anuj and the issuer there. Fourth team, do the encryption. Fifth team, deliver the item. So to issue a laptop, 5 tasks has been generated. And then once the task has been updated, then the closure part. In this, it's a reverse ordering. First, all the tasks will get closed. Then the request item get closed. Once you get the food on your table, the task has been completed. the dish is over, and then you pay the bill. Right? So this is the overall picture of this particular stuff. Now the important point in this to be understand is these two things. Because if you see the item which you select is stored in a different table, and the record which a user is ordering stored in a different table. So now if I show you, let come here and see something, then I'll go to the table structure.
So Atul, I have a
Go
sorry
ahead.
to uh, so the service catalog or let's say is working on the end user point of view, and it's equally important to gain a end user experience, right? To have a
Yes.
smooth experience, and it should get executed smoother way so that end user get ample of benefits out of that instead of having
Right.
multiple on a catalog. Let's say there is example MacBook and normal laptop, and it get rejected, right?
Mhm.
So can we make an kind of filter it option so that user can get a proper, let's say, user,
Yes.
fresher, right? While
I
and
know
that
this
is request.
question. I know this question must be come that Atul, that because one side you are saying that it's a user experience, then why Anuj is able to see the other laptop and he's not allowed to be see, right? It's making the
True.
experience bad. Yes, this can be done. We will see this part now. Okay, so now two things. Let me come here and put and let's go here. So you go to catalog, browse the category. These are the items. Apple iPhone 13. And these are going from, it's coming from this table. SC underscore cat underscore item table. But once I submit this record, we will see all these things. We will see as of now, just see the tables. Once we submit this record, it become REQ. And this is stored in the SC underscore request table. If I go to the RITM level, see REQ table. Both tables are different. One table from where we get these items. Other table where these items get stored. So this thing, this four tables, the first four tables are used as a definition where we are creating this particular items. Last three tables are the instances where the actual record get generated and the work has been done. So how it happened? It has a hierarchy. Number one, you have a request. Again, same thing. We are a family of three people going going in a restaurant for a dinner. We three will sit on a single table. It's not like my son will sit in another table, I'll sit on the table, my wife will sit at the table. It's not like that. So under a request, I can have one RITM, we can order only one thing, or we can order multiple things. Like my son, like starter always. He never interested for the main course, but starter is a fix. So minimum two starter we order. So two different items. My wife says, no, I want to go for the good main course. Okay, then chapati, rice kind of things will be in the main course. Other two items. I am a sweet lover. I'll go for the desserts. So in a single REQ, I have multiple R item, and multiple R item is a one or many tasks or zero tasks as well. But task will be there definitely. At least one task will be there. Up, if you're in the restaurant, you will not go and get the bottle from the fridge by yourself. You will ask to the waiter only. भैया एक glass एक water bottle दे दो. And when it come to the payment, we pay at the REQ level, not at the task level. Like I will not say I'll not say, ask my son, please pay your starters amount. I'll pay as a family, I pay the full amount. So when the task get closed, we have item close. Other task get closed for the other item, 1, 2, 3 item delivered, item eaten. When everybody had a complete food, then ask, okay, you want anything else? To my son, my wife, you want anything else? Maybe some soft drinks kind of things or juice. No, I'm done. My wife said I'm done. My son said I'm done. Okay. But can you clean the table and get the bill, please? This is what the last task is has been initiated. Getting a bill is an item. The waiter go to the desk, get the printout, put in the flap, bring some sweet or the this toffees or the candies and put on the table. I'll give him a card. He swipe it. He asks me, sir, do you want the receipt? No. Done. All tasks done. All item closed. All requests get closed. Table clean. Next customer, please. So a radical will work like this in this part. Now let's see the table structure. The first table which I would like to start is called SC underscore request. This one is the parent. This and this both are extended from the task table. Both are extended from the task table. So let's go for the request first. And see the schema. This is what we extended from the task table, and this request has extended from the this request for new knowledge base has been coming from the request table. Wow, I was not aware of this thing. And now put reference tables like this. Which table it is we using? CMDB offering and other things will be there. And now put referencing. Who is using this table as a referencing? And you can see here. See catalog task. Like we have a change, we have a incident task, we have a P task that is problem task, we have a catalog, we have a chain task that is C task. Same thing, we have a catalog task that is called the SC underscore task. This is what the last one, SC underscore task. And if you see this item, SC underscore REQ underscore item, request item. So these three tables, 1, 2, and 3. These three tables has been using it. Now the question comes, Atul, why these tables are not showing? Because they have no relationship between these two. No direct relationship. So if you go here and search it now again. Underscore. This one. Scroll down. and you can see this, and if you put the referencing one, you can see here, see catalog item, and even the task also using this. Wow, it is gone, this one category. So like we have a RAQ, RADM, etc. Same manner we have a catalog, catalog category, and catalog item. And what is this last one? Order guide. Order guide is something which has a sequence of RATM. Like I know that whenever I start a training, I have to do a few things for everybody. To add his or her name in my attendance list, to add his or her name in my fee, this thing tracker, to add his or her name in my WhatsApp group, to add his or her name in the Skype. This thing done for everybody. I cannot skip it. So this is a sequence of activities I do. I have to save his or her number as well, so that I can correct as required. Okay, so this thing. Let's call the order guide. We will see this example. We'll see the example. Okay. Now, what are the roles available in this? Here are the few roles. The first role is called the requester. Who is requesting this? Any user can use this catalog or catalog item to request. When we say it is an end user, it means he or she don't require any kind of a role in the service now. Yes, end user don't require any role. Do you need any role to access Amazon website to order something? No, Atul, we just need an account. Same thing here. We just need an account. Your username, password, your username should be exist in the system, and you can order anything from there. This is what is a requester. Catalog manager, who see from the management side, who see from the operations side that all the catalogs are doing good. Is any issue in any of the catalog? From the operational perspective, like there's a catalog or there's an item, let's say juice. It can be go in the drinks as well. It can be go in the juice itself, and it can be go in the water side as well. Is any issue in that? It is confusing the user? And what role is required? It's required the catalog manager role. Then the catalog editor, who can make a changes in that. Who can make a changes in that is called the catalog editor. Modification, flow change karna, field change karna, field additions, all deletions, anything can be done by this. Even retirement. Like earlier, my restaurant serving soft drinks as well, or the hard drink as well, but now we don't have a license. Let's remove it from the catalog. So call the retirement. Request management manager, who will see that when a request has been raised, is it getting fulfilled within the proper SLAs? The workflow is working fine or not? Like I go to the same restaurant for the 4th time and I say, your service is not good for this particular product. Whenever I order ice cream, it takes almost 10 minutes wait. And I call to the manager, hey, can you come here and listen? Yes, sir, what happened? That I'm happy with the services, but for this product item, whenever I order, it's my 4th time I'm coming to the restaurant. I am facing this issue that it take more than 10 minutes. Okay, sir, let me check. He investigate this issue and find out some root cause and fix it. But his work is from the operational part. He can give a feedback to the catalog manager. Boss, we have to improve this catalog. Either remove it, this item, either improve the same item. And finally, the approver, who has the rights to approve or reject a particular item. Clear? Any doubt?
Clear.
Good.
Catalog editor has the rights. The person can modify the catalog, right, based on the requirement of organization, right?
Yes, catalog manager.
And for example, if new employee join, right? So what category laptop we add, or what will be the price of, and we will cost charge to that person there.
Yes, that can be done
Uh,
by the catalog manager.
and does it also going to update the software license data? Because once employees join, right, so the person will consume the Windows license, for example,
Yes.
M365 license. Will it get automatically updated in the CUD
No,
data?
no, it depends on the company policy. Like in our laptops, which you receive from the office, the Mac, this what I can say, antivirus got updated every time automatically, right? Microsoft Team gets updated automatically. Microsoft Outlook get updated automatically. But if you have a specific software which you want to be improve it, which is not used by the publicly or by everybody in the company, then you need to be request explicitly on that particular part. You have a request, you can raise a request to upgrade the version of my this thing software to X version now. So that is the thing. It's you need to be see that what I can bring in the catalog or what I can bring as automatic kind of things. Like I just give example, team update, Outlook update, Skype update, antivirus update. You did not request, right? Or you go to the catalog and you requested, hey, can you update my antivirus? No, we just got a pop-up. Please reboot your system on this particular by this particular date, this particular time.
Is not around the upgrade. My question is around we are assigning something to the user, right? Because it has a license cost. That was my question.
Yes. See, if you say like I got a laptop. Now I want a Visio to be installed in my laptop.
Mm-hmm.
This is a specific catalog item for me because it's got approval, it's got license as well. But if you join or Anuj join or me join or anybody join the company, getting the laptop and updating the antivirus don't require any kind of this thing catalog or the request because it get automatically updated. Like I joined a company. Before joining that company, the laptop was ready for me. My manager told go to the IT department and give them a this request number and get your laptop. Just 2 minutes it take for me. I go there. Hey boss, this is my request item and you joiner. Sir, your bag is ready that side. Pick up that bag and go. Because the work has been done already in the background. Okay. Now the question come, how this thing or where we can see this thing. So a user can order any item from the two places. One we saw here. This is called the portal view. You go here, you open the catalog, you browse the category, you see these are the categories, you search any item here, let's say hardware, cable adapter, and you click on this and you order it. That is the first way. Second way is called the native view. Again, I as an end user can order by this way as well. I go here, click on the self-service and catalog. I'll get the same page here. Same page, same process. But the only difference is that this is in the native view, this is in the portal view. To give a good, better, beautiful experience to the user, we use portal view. But I work with the customers who don't want to bring a portal. They say, no, it's very tough for us to maintain. We're not that much big. We want only one view for everybody. And they say, I want to be use this thing. So like I want to be order something in the software. Okay, what do you want? You want to order for Microsoft Access, Acrobat Reader, Pro, Chemista, Cisco Zebra Phone, Drua, IntelliDG, IDEA kind of things. What do you want to be order? I said I want to be order a Office Pro 65. Okay. This all done. Anything you want to be odd quantity 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5. I said one quantity. Order now. My request can generate it. Same thing can be done from here as well. Same thing. And same thing can be done here as well. Just to give a different flavor or to make a consistency. We're using this part. Okay, we can add or we can remove the categories as well. Okay. Now, during this part, ServiceNow introduced a new concept that is called the walk-up experience. I'm facing some issue in my network. What I do? I call to the customer care, it's not working. They're not responding well. What I will do? I'll go to the store. Like Vodafone has a store, Airtel has a store. Every company has a store almost in every area. I'll go there. And now they're also getting smart. Sir, please register yourself on this app so that you get a pop-up in your phone and you can go and to that particular table to check your query. So I register myself. Okay, my name is this, my number is this, I have for this issue, and I sit there. The board will say, okay, number 1, it's showing my phone got a message number 1. I'll go to the table number A. This is called the walk-up experience. Generally, this is not the walk-up actually. This is not the walk-up experience. Walk-up experience says practically you're sitting at a desk and you raise a request that I am facing some issue in my laptop. Now 2 options. Either you take a laptop to the IT department and then the person says, sorry sir, it's little rush, you have to wait for half an hour. अरे यार मेरा तो आधा घंटा खराब हो जाएगा. I have a meeting as well. The other way, you raise a request from your desk itself and you get a message before 5 minutes of your turn. We are reaching to number 30. Please get ready and you can go to the IT department. It will save you 25 minutes. That is called the walk-up experience. Earlier case, also a walk-up, but you're wasting the time. You don't know that how many people are there before you and you have to wait it. In this, you know that how many people are before you and you're sitting at your desk only you're doing your work. And when your turn will come, you get a message and you go and get the issue fixed. This is called the walk-up experience. So in the walk-up, we have to have a demand. Let me see, do I have any slide for walk-up? In the walk-up, we can demand, we can check in. Okay, I'm coming in 2 minutes. We can go in the queue as well, like we go, right? Then I get a notification. Your turn is number 5. 5 minutes left. Please reach to the IT department. Like in the cab notification, we remember, right? Same thing. Then we reach there, we engage with the technical team. It resolve my issue and I come back. So the total time which was earlier for half an hour, now it reduced to only 5 minutes with implementing this walk-up experience.
Does it based on the agent technical agent availability, right? If some technician is available from IT department.
Yes, it also depend. It also depend. Their shift and all the things will be there. If nobody available, let's say you reach office by 8 o'clock, but the IT department come at 9:30.
Calculating the SLA part, if your
Sorry?
next how the system will calculate this SLA part, right? 30 to 5 minutes.
So it's like a configuration completely. No, I don't have that plugin installed. It is complete configuration you have to be do. Like how the queuing system will work, how the skill set system will work, how the shift roster will work. Accordingly that it will allow you to be generate the request and you can get the number. It's not like that I'm saying in English and it will be ready. No, we have to do the complete configuration for the same. Let me try to install that plugin. And I can show you tomorrow that how this configuration work. It's like, oh, sorry, it's like a hyphen walk and up. See, this is walk-up experience. Install now. So we have to do a lot of configuration in the background. Only then it will work. It's not like that I just say something or it's be ready. So in this, what major configuration we have to do? We have to be configure the notifications. We have to do the portal configuration, that where I can go and raise a request that I want to be fix my issue. We have to do the appointment configurations, that 10 minutes slot, 20 minutes slot, 30 minutes slots kind of things. We have to be put the schedules, that 9 to 1, 2 to 5. Then after doing this part, we have to go for the survey. Is customer happy or not? Plus, for the walk-up, the main thing is that location, where the team is sitting, second floor, third floor, another office, where it has been sitting. So like I was working for a company who has a 2 tower in the same premises. But in the tower where I sit, there was no ID team. ID team was in the other tower. So it's other location. Even though if it is the same tower, but it was not on my floor, then it's other location. It's considered as a location only. Right? And then do we have any kind of a stock rooms for the walk-up? You're collecting some goodies, you're collecting some kind of a hardware devices. Then we have a stock rooms. So to do all these things, we have to be fix the things. We have to be configure the things in the walk-up part. Otherwise, it will not going to work for us. Let's install this one and then okay, it's done now. Very good. Sometimes it happens, cache issue. Let me refresh this. It's WALK. Come on. No, maybe it's a cache issue. Let me try again. Log out and log in. अरे क्या हो गया यार ये? I have full right, still not able to see. Let me see, do I need any special access? Go to profile and see. I have a system admin, so I can do the things. View default. Sometimes it may require some kind of access. Let me edit here. There's nothing called walkup. Maybe again. I'll check in my other laptop as well. Definitely it's a cache issue. Nothing else will be there because plugin has been installed. We'll see it tomorrow then. Okay, but on the overall picture, you have to do the call configuration, notification, locations, appointment configurations, then survey, then queue up. Everything need to be configured. Only then this walk-up experience will work. Let me see. Do I have a walk-up experience here? Oh, I have to be open this plugin here. There's nothing called walk-up. No, maybe that plugin is installed, but it's not showing due to this cache issue. Okay, we'll see it tomorrow, guys. Don't worry. Now, if I come here, then show you something here that how these items get stored, like this one. These things. So as I say, it is a hierarchy. So we have 3 different modules and you can search with the maintain catalog, maintain category, and maintain item. First, we will create a catalog here. So like we have these many catalogs out of the box. I can create my own catalog. Right, so I can say, let's say LNG training. Who is the catalog manager? I said I'm the catalog manager. Who is the editor? I'm the only editor. Do I have to do this whole? Okay, I don't have this whole. Benthanjali is my catalog editor. Then description LNG training. I can put an image here. It's up to you. You can do this stuff easily at your side. And I can click on the submit. My catalog has been created. Now let's go and see here. Not able to see my catalog, right? If I click on this, not able to see my catalog. Any reason why I'm not able to see my catalog?
Category.
Category, buddy.
We require approval once we create it.
We have to check the table.
No. We need to get a category first. The reason being, let's say Anuj and Ishwar together open a restaurant. Will you publish a catalog without the category? खाली पेपर तुम दोगे ना किसी को? If I give you Excel sheet like this, guys, this is agenda. Atul, where is agenda? Guys, this is agenda. This is a blank catalog now. Nothing is there. No category. Okay. Chalo, let's put a category then. Go here, maintain categories. New category name, admin training. Under which catalog you want to show? I want to show in the my catalog, LNG training. Any parent you want to put, any icon image desktop, you can put it. No problem. Submit. Come here. See, still not there. Now what happened? Why it is not there? Khalda, bolo. Okay. Management, group management, incident management. You printed a catalog which has category like starter, main course, desserts, drinks. If someone come to a restaurant, they will not say, Bhaiya, can you bring the dessert? What they say, can you bring the ice cream in the desserts? So it means items are missing, right? As I said in the beginning, we never order a category. We always order a, what we always order? Item, right? Anuj, you said that you were on the movie in the last week. Have you ordered the complete movies or you order only one movie? Atul, definitely one movie, right?
Right.
One movie for the 2 people, for the 3 people, for a one-time slot. So ultimately, you did not order a theater. You did not order a PVR. You order a one movie only. That is the item. So that come in the last section, that is called maintain item. Sorry, कोई बोल नहीं रहा क्या? तो आप गलत लिख रहे हो.
I was about to say.
This
Maintain
is
item
called
is,
maintain item. And this we will discuss tomorrow because it has a lot of things to be covered. So we will see that if I'm ordering this is the item, how all the things are coming. These things, all the things are coming. That we will see in tomorrow's class. Doubt, question, clarification.
no, Atul.
Ishwar, Khalida, Venkat.
No.
What is your homework now? Do one thing. Go to the portal, order any of the catalog item. Any. You will get a request number. Go in the Nitty view, open the request and try to be moved to the closing state. See what is be happening in the background. Try to fulfill a request. You will come to know a lot of new things. How that fulfillment happen, that we will discuss. What is written in the background to be fulfilled that. And this is nothing new. You know everything now. You know flow, you know workflow, you know notification, you know SLA, everything you know. ठीक है जी? चलिए, let me stop recording and take a quick attendance now.